For many people, having children is one of the central reasons for living. And for those people, problems with infertility are heartbreaking. Giving previously infertile couples a joyful solution is Advanced Reproductive Care Incorporated's central reason for being. Dr. G. David Adamson is the chairman and director of ARC. He joins us now on Sky Radio. Doctor, welcome to the show.
Dennis, thank you very much. It's great to be with you today.
Advanced Reproductive Care is the nation's largest network of fertility clinics. Give me a rundown on what ARC does and what it is.
Well, Dennis, ARC is a physician-owned network which is presently providing services in approximately 40 states across the country, and our doctors perform over one-third of the in vitro fertilization cycles in the country. We have the most qualified fertility specialists who are reproductive endocrinologists, and our physicians have all agreed to follow national standards in providing care to their patients. We also provide a lot of information, guidance, and support to the patients who call us so that we can really help them get started on their journey to have their family. And in addition to that, we provide unique financial solutions.
Well, I wanted to ask you about that because one of the most painful parts of the infertility question is the cost of some of the most successful solutions, including and especially in vitro fertilization. What's ARC doing to make this solution available on a wider basis?
Well, Dennis, what we've done is put together packages of services that patients need, including an in vitro fertilization cycle and also a free frozen embryo transfer cycle if the patient does not get pregnant on the first cycle of IVF. So what we have is packages of services that are discounted, include everything that the patient needs, and also includes free services. So we've set these up so that some of them are the most affordable choice for patients, that they're in a price range that essentially everyone can afford, and then others give more service but also give patients their best chance to have a baby. In addition to that, we have a program that helps people who want to use donor eggs for treatment, who need help with paying for their pharmaceuticals that are needed in treatment. And also, very importantly, we have the ARC payment plan, which provides really affordable monthly financing options for patients so that if they don't have the money to get started right away, they can pay for it over time. And finally, we put together what we call the ARC refund guarantee, which is a money-back guarantee, so that if patients try to get a baby, but unfortunately things don't work out, then they'll be able to get most or all of their money back.
Dr. Adamson, here at Sky Radio, we get interviews with people from all walks of life, from wireless services to concrete exporting, but you are quite literally in the life and miracle business. Give me an idea of what it's like to work in such a fundamental, elemental area on a day-to-day basis.
Well, I really feel very, very grateful and fortunate, Dennis, that I'm able to work in this area. There's no question that some days are pretty difficult because we see patients who have really had a lot of problems trying to have a baby. But it's very rewarding because we're able to help the vast majority of people who see us realize their dreams of having a family. And we understand the difficulties and the emotional stress that they're going through and the financial challenges. So it's really very gratifying that we can provide guidance and financial solutions, payment plans, and refund guarantees that help improve their chances of taking a baby home. And that's what it's all about for us. And we really feel fortunate that we're able to work in this field every day.
Dr. Adamson, thanks so much for joining us here on Sky Radio. What a pleasure.
Thank you very much, Dennis.
Dr. G. David Adamson is the chairman and director of ARC, Advanced Reproductive Care Incorporated. We reached him at his clinic in Palo Alto, California. They're on the web at www.arcfertility.com.